Hi, welcome back. I'm Kathy.
I'm Robin.
And I am continuing my quest to find the best apple pie. Fast food apple pie, fried pie, I guess. So this is a quick video, just like if you saw the Checkers Rallies apple pie video.
That I missed.
Yes. So I think what I'm going to do is, when I see an apple pie, I'm going to review it. Robin's with me, not with me, whatever. This is like, she does like them, but
I do. I used to share them with my grandmother. McDonald's used to share them with my
the good ones.
Yeah.
So I think, I've done a few. Someone did mention Churches the other day, and I have done tried Churches, and that video will be posted soon. So soon. I don't know when it's going to be posted. So you may ask, why are you on a quest?
Why do you need to find?
And I asked myself
apple pie
this question this morning. So here it is. I do love the old McDonald's. They were my favorite.
Yes.
My issue. Okay, we're not young. Well, I mean, we're not.
Boo.
We're not. I was gonna say we're not kids anymore. And we can't eat whatever we want.
Right.
But I was never that way. Probably since the age of 9, I've never been able to eat what I wanted. I gained weight. So we do watch what we eat, and when I have my cheat day, I want it to be something good. I don't want to waste my calories on something that's just
right.
Okay. So if I want to have something, I want to have something that I love.
And you want to know where you can go to for that perfect apple pie.
Right.
Should that be the choice of the cheat?
So that's my goal. So for the rest of the year, I'm going to find anyone I can, and then at the end of the year, we will rate them all. All right. So
It's
here
going to be an apple pie 4-month apple pie frenzy.
Right. And I may gain 20 pounds. I'm not sure. So here it is. I was just looking. I was like, oh, does Hardee's have anything new? And I was like, what? They have an apple pie too? This one does look pretty good.
They call it an apple turnover.
They do call it a
turnover. But it does look like an apple pie.
Yeah.
You know. But I think
Arby's looks more like the turnover and is the more puff pastry.
Right.
Where this is more the pie dough.
Yeah.
Want to smell? All right.
Yeah.
Yes, we are going to split this. Looks good. I have to eat from the other end to get the apple.
I'm going to go right here.
Okay. I tried the Rallies the other day, or the Checkers Rallies. My guess is you would probably like these better because the Rallies Checkers one were covered in cinnamon sugar. And that probably would have been too sweet for you.
Which I really do like these.
But these are really good.
I really, really like these.
They're flaky. Like I said before, the Popeyes, I thought the filling didn't have enough spice in it. Didn't have enough cinnamon.
This is a really good cinnamon. It's a good sweet level. I enjoy these pies.
And again, because McDonald's was not covered in cinnamon sugar either, so theirs is more like.
Yeah.
So the price, interesting.
This is pretty.
Checkers Rallies, one was 99 cents, or one was 99 cents, or you could get 2 for $1. Here you can get 1 for $1.19, or 2 for $1. I don't know. So if anyone is
That's a perfect blend. That's tasty. This is a tasty treat.
And she's not big on her sweets, but if she likes this, I will give it. This is a good one. It's not. Still think Checkers is better.
For you, right?
Yeah, for me.
So
for her, I think this is.
Well, now I need to try the Checkers. I guess I will.
And someone mentioned Whataburger. We'll be in Florida in October. We will try that. And I have tried it, but it's been a few years, so I'll need to do that when I get. Anyway, if anyone's in marketing and can tell me the reason, why.
I've always heard 1 for 79 cents or 2 for $1, that kind of thing.
That makes sense.
1 for $1.19
or
2 for $1.
They're trying to get rid of. I don't. Anyway, if you know, let us know in the comments below.
Yes.
And if you have the Hardees or Carl's Jr., I'm assuming it's the same. Let us know in the comments below what you think. So this was just a quickie with us. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe and the bell for notifications.
Yes.
Thanks for watching.
Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.